Google's best AI researchers are walking out the door, and the company's pushing back its biggest model launch by a month. And those two things are definitely connected. This is AI Wire Daily. Gemini 3.5 Flash can now see your screen, click things, and automate entire workflows without needing a separate computer use model anymore. Google folded what used to be a standalone tool into Flash itself, meaning developers activate screen control the same way they'd use search or code execution. The real play here is enterprise automation. Think continuous software testing, where agents navigate applications without humans, or knowledge workers having AI fill forms and extract data from dashboards automatically. But Google's betting everything on one thing: that enterprises will trust an AI that can literally see and control their screens. The safety guardrails exist: adversarial training against prompt injection attacks, user confirmation for sensitive actions, but my take is, this only works if Google's execution is flawless. One prompt injection exploit that goes viral, and enterprises shut this down fast. Google just delayed Gemini 3.5 Pro from June to July, and the company says it's gathering feedback from early testers to optimize for longer agent tasks. That sounds reasonable on paper. Nobody wants a rushed frontier model. The problem is, the timing absolutely sucks. This delay landed the same week Noam Shazir, a VP on Gemini and co-author of the 2017 Transformer paper that literally made modern LLMs possible, announced he's leaving for OpenAI. John Jumper, the Google DeepMind scientist whose AlphaFold work won the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry, is heading to Anthropic. A few weeks on the calendar is one thing. Losing the architects of your flagship model while your competition pulls ahead in coding, that's a momentum killer. I think this signals Google's frontier team is fractured, and people are betting on OpenAI and Anthropic's runway. Qualcomm just spent nearly $4 billion acquiring Modular, an AI startup that built software letting developers write once and run AI across different chips without rewriting code for each processor. This is fundamentally a shot at Nvidia's CUDA stranglehold. For 2 years, the hardware race dominated the headlines, but Qualcomm's making a smart play. The real power isn't the chips, it's the software layer that locks developers in. Modular's horizontal platform approach gives customers actual choice in where they deploy AI. My take is, this could genuinely matter, but only if the developer community actually adopts it. CUDA's dominance isn't just technical, it's cultural. India's government is taking a 1 to 2% equity stake in AI startup Sarvam through convertible instruments tied to subsidized GPU access under the IndiaAI mission. The startup raised $234 million, led by HCL Tech, with participation from Bessemer, Khosla, and Peak XV, and is now valued at $1.5 billion. Sarvam is building foundation models for India's linguistic diversity, reducing reliance on Western AI systems, while the government covers up to 40% of GPU costs for selected companies. This is how you build a domestic AI ecosystem. Equity participation linked to infrastructure support, not just subsidies with nothing to show for it. That's the AI news. Subscribe. This stuff moves fast.